Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change text, billing address and shipping address title in order received page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see text, billing address, and we change billing address to your billing address, and then you see shipping address and we are going to change this text to your shipping address. So you can add text according to your requirement. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order received page and refresh the page. Now you see text is changed, your billing address, your shipping address. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.